In this short tutorial, we're going to go over the Alexa configuration for your AtBot Web Bot. We start at the Alexa developer console, which if you go to developer.amazon.com and click on Alexa, it will ask you to sign in. We'll go ahead and sign in. And if we go to Alexa and Alexa Skills Kit, this is where we can define new skills in Alexa. So in AtBot, we consider a skill to be a flow. In Alexa, a skill is the entire bot. So we're going to go ahead and create a brand new skill. So you start by clicking Create Skill. We give our skill a name. Be sure to select Custom and Create Skill. Next, we want to make sure we start from scratch and click Choose. And now we've created our Alexa skill that doesn't have any backing yet. So the first thing we need to do to get it hooked up to AtBot is we go back to the skills dashboard, and we need the skill ID of the bot that we just created. Copy that. Next, we're going to go to the AtBot admin portal, and we're going to log in. We are going to create a brand new web bot. Under Alexa registration, we're going to paste that skill ID. Then we're going to go ahead and copy the messaging endpoint. We're going to save this. Now we're going to go back over to the developer console. We're going to open up the Alexa skill. With that endpoint URL in our clipboard, we're going to go to endpoint. We're going to select the HTTPS type of endpoint. Under default region, we're going to paste it in. Then we're going to select my development endpoint is a subdomain of a domain that has a wildcard certificate from a certificate authority. And we're going to click Save Endpoints. Next, while we're here on the Alexa developer console, we're going to click Interfaces to enable the APL or Alexa presentation layer. And click Save Interfaces. Next, we're going to go back to our bot, and we are going to copy this skilljson. Go into the developer console again, under our skill, the JSON editor, and we're going to paste it all in there. Now, one thing to note is the invocation name. This is going to be the name that you use when you talk to your bot in Alexa. By default, the one that comes in this Alexa skill JSON here is the name that you give the bot. It can be different. They don't have to be the same. So now that we got the skill JSON or the JSON editor filled out with the values from the AtBot portal, we're going to go ahead and save the model. And we're going to build the model. While that's building, we're going to go over to our bot, go down to our help and messages, and change our welcome message so it's something distinctive. This is just to know that we set this up correctly. Okay, let's see if it built. Still building. All right, the build is successful. Now it's time to test. So the easiest thing to do is we go over to the Test tab up here. Then we have to select Development for testing. Then in order to invoke your skill, you have to use words like ask skill name or load skill name. We'll just go ahead and say ask Alice. There you go. And what's really cool about this is I have an Alexa device on my desk here where I'm logged in using the same developer account as I am on screen, and I can access these skills directly from those devices as well. So here, I'll try that. Echo, ask Alice.
Hello, my name is Alice.
So there you go. So that's really all it takes to configure your web bots to be Alexa enabled. The steps that I took are the same exact steps that are in our documentation, and it's that easy to create a no-code Alexa-based assistant.